Hey Henna Guys Fam, welcome to our art channel. As you have seen previously, we've talked about what is henna. Now you know what henna is and what it's used for. But did you know that you can actually use it for beard dyes as well? Yes, men can definitely use henna. So now you wonder, is there any difference between the beard dye and the hair dye? Well, first of all, ingredient-wise, there's no difference. But the only difference between the hair dye and the beard dyes is the time you leave it on your facial hair. So versus leaving it on your hair versus 3 hours with henna hair dyes. But the beard, when you apply on your facial hair, you only need it for 1.5 to 2 hours, depending on how dark you want it. So now you're probably wondering, well, how do you mix it? It's the same way. You want to mix it with water? Mix it with water. You want to mix it with coffee? Mix it with coffee. It's the exact same process to mix the beard dye. How does it look like? It's the same. The color is exactly the same. We hope you like this video. Now you know that it's not only for hair, but also for men and beard dyes. As always, don't forget to do a strand and a patch test before any application. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.